That's your bug and it's not my bug.
Yeah, but it's not nice paint. You see, it's not nice paint. Look. Nacho!
Where are we at?
At the Smokin VW show.
Out in Perry, Florida. It's the barbecue bug show. As you saw, we brought
Volkswagen support vehicle.
Yep, and we brought Choco.
You realize what just happened here?
Yes.
The hurricane came through here. It was about 3 weeks ago. If it wasn't for the resilience of the residents of Perry, they have got this all back together so that we could still have this event.
Yeah.
I mean, there are still people here in shelter. Some of the buildings here, at least they can have this event going on and make their time here a little bit more pleasant.
We're about to have a good time. There's live music over there, as you hear.
A lot of things are going on. We don't even know what it is yet. It's not just the bug show and barbecue. It's a bunch of things going on. It's
now,
great.
this is a barbecue festival that they have every year.
We want everyone else to know that these events are out there and get it out there so that these events can grow.
Nacho!
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 Come on over and rescue my poor heart. I won't stop till I'm older. Don't stop on my shoulder. No sleep.
Go cool at a bar, and I'm looking for some action. I asked the guy, why you so fly? He said, Funky Cold Medina. Yeah.
Now the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are bumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook for my DJ revolve. Now they're gonna come bust us. Oh, it's just the Volkswagen, not the cops.
It's not the cop.
Roadhouse.
Y'all know the movie Roadhouse.
Roadhouse. What's the line?
There's a time not to be nice.
There you go.
And I'll tell you when that time is.
I want you to be nice till it's time to not be nice.
So I jacked the keys to her father's car. Got that piece and stepped away. You know I crashed your dad's car. And then I stepped away. All right, we tried.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Jeffro is doing the honor.
That's freaking
Did you spot the mistake? It's supposed to be an E, man.
Oh, right on. It's Saturday morning.
beautiful morning.
A lot of different Volkswagens have pulled up. We're gonna go walk around and check out all the vendors here soon.
Cheryl Freilich.
Now, what year, make, and model you got?
This is a 1973 Super Beetle, and I've had her since brand new. I was 22 at the time. Do your math. I'm original owner. 1991, I was getting ready to turn 40, and I decided I needed air conditioning. So I've got another car, had air conditioning, but I couldn't part with this. And it stayed in a building on my parents' property for a little over 20 years before I actually got her back up and running again. I wouldn't say she's restored. She looks better than she did when she was sitting there. She was protected, but she was still not running or anything.
Yeah.
This is my baby. I like to take her to as many shows as I can, but everyone knows me by the Queen. There's some issues that I'm working on slowly. I call her a daily driver.
Yeah.
Even though it depends if the weather's really bad or bad traffic, I don't want to get
Now, she got the stock motor in it?
Yes.
1600?
Yes, she
Nice.
does. Yes.
And I see it's a dual port. Very nice.
Upgrades I did had to do with disc brakes on the front for safety
Oh, yeah,
reasons, but
definitely.
pretty much everything is original. The base price on this one I bought it was $2,800,
Wow.
and I paid $500 for the extra trim group, so it cost me $32.
Try and get a car nowadays like
Yeah,
that.
right, 32. And then, even then, people are going, you know, you can get Volkswagens cheaper back
Yeah.
then, but this was what I wanted.
Real woman drive. VDUB.
Yes.
Very true.
I actually have a working 8-track.
That's
player.
awesome.
I found that there is a guy in Arizona that will repair the units, and then I found a pretty good source for the 8-track.
And I see you got Bigfoot here.
Yes, Yes. My brother gave me that. We're big Bigfoot fans, and he gave me 2 of those. One of the bigger ones is for my Honda.
Yeah.
My dog. And the smaller one, though, I put on here. I love it.
Well, you'll love our van again. It's named Chaka after the end of the Lost from 1974.
Oh, that's too cool. That's too cool.
And I see you got a roof rack on here. Very nice one, actually.
Yes, this is my baby. I couldn't tell you how many miles I have on her, though, because the engine has been rebuilt a time or 2. My dad, when he was alive, was really good about working on it.
Well,
he kept his daughter on the road.
That's my father. Keeping his son on the road.
Keeping your son on the road, yeah. And I miss him. I miss him because I have questions sometimes that he's not there to answer.
Yeah.
And her name is Daisy.
Daisy is beautiful.
That has been her name since 1973.
And the cool thing is my father had a 1974 Super Beetle. It's his first car, and guess what? It was the same color, like a watermelon green.
Wow. This is what they called Sumatra green.
Sumatra green. That could have been it, but he always referred it to a watermelon.
Well, yeah. I don't see too many greens,
No.
really.
Thank you so much for showing.
A pleasure meeting you.
Yes, pleasure
really
meeting
was.
you.
Thank
And I
you.
love the shirt.
Isn't that great?
99 problems, but
You
a
know,
radiator ain't one.
40 Volkswagen shirts, and I wear this one more than any other.
Thanks so
Look
much.
forward to seeing you again at some other show.
Sounds
Okay?
good.
All right, thanks.
All right, who's up next? People's choice, Nacho Bug! So you open this up and you give it a roll like this, like a panther. Get your bag right here and give yourself as much chili as you want. All right, come over here for your cheese.
Frozen Tasteland, freeze-dried delights. And I like my candy. That's tasty.
Check him out. Just having a good time checking out all these vendors. I mean, wow, just a lot of vendors.
I bought my wife something, a key holder for the kitchen.
Yep, and a dog bowl for Spot.
Bowl for Spot.
She's got free pound cake, which I ended up giving to Mama Bug, and she's loving it.
Great event here, so much going on. There you go. You know, a Desert Storm right here.
Oh, you're?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely check out Lawson Peach Shed, links down in the description. This stuff is jam up. Peach frozen lemonade. You're definitely winning people's choice.
Oh yeah. Free nacho! Yeah, baby, that's the one. It's the one I wanted.
People's choice?
Yes.
Yes.
2 years, baby, 2 years.
Yeah, third on the road, you know, can't complain. Are you
And
sure?
another trophy. Woo! Congrats, man. nice lowering kit.
Yeah, it's $8 too, man.
Can't beat that.
Had to have it.
Nachos! Nacho bug! Nacho! Nacho bug! Hey, congratulations, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Ow, burn my shit.
It is a little tasty.
We're having a great time.
We have just been having a great day. I mean, as you guys see, Chaka's all put away and packed up. So we're gonna go get some barbecue, and we're gonna hop in Chaka and follow behind Jeffro and go all the way down to Auburndale, set up camp Saturday night.
And do it again.
And do it again tomorrow, Sunday morning. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go get some good grubbing.
Just bugging on a daily.
Just bugging. You ready for some barbecue? Barbecue. Barbecue. Nacho bug. Hey man, wasn't that such a great event?
Oh yes, it was. Great setting and so much to do there with all the barbecue.
I know,
and
right?
Vendors for all kinds of different arts and crafts. It's cool.
It was worth the 2 hours and the 140 miles north from where we are here in Central Florida. It was such a great event. And like he said, the Smokin in the Pines Barbecue Festival, so many things to eat, do, and enjoy.
And gather with all the great people and the conversation and the campfire.
Dude, the karaoke.
The karaoke.
The karaoke.
Hilarious.
We've never done that at any other VW show, and that was so much fun, and we look forward to it again. Wasn't that an awesome story about Cheryl's 73 Super Beetle?
Most definitely. Come on, I owned a 74. My first car was a 74 Super Beetle, and I called it watermelon green, but it was the same color as hers.
Yes, and that's honestly what drawed me towards the car, was it looked just like how he's always described his car, minus the gold pinstriping.
Yeah, I put gold pinstripe on it, painted the rims gold. I had those EMPI Spider mags on
Yeah.
it. I was so proud of that. And took your mom to Disney World in that car.
And then took out a bunch of cones.
Yeah, about 250 mini cones. They didn't have cameras back then, so.
Such a great story. It was awesome to see all the pictures that Cheryl sent me to go along with the stories. He helped her work on her VW, such as my father helps me and keeps my VW on the road. So if you guys want to go to an awesome VW show this year, 2024 Smokin in the Pines VW Bug Show.
Yeah, you gotta be there. And if you love barbecue, it's definitely a must.
That's for sure.
I can't wait to go again.
This show will be in a future issue of VolksMania magazine, but we hope you all enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button to show our channel some love. Have a Just Buggin' of a day.
Keep on bugging out there, y'all.